Hi there folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in the easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let me go ahead and open up this editor, and as you may have noticed, I have created this file and I name it ex89 intro to binary file.c. So we're going to practice making codes, and this is the best way to learn coding. More hands-on exercises, and at the end of this video I encourage you to answer the question because it's the best way for you to teach yourself in C programming. So today this is an introductory to binary file. So we're going to learn the binary file I/O, or input and output. So writing only characters and strings to a file can become tedious when you have an array or structures. To write entire blocks of memory to a file, these are the following binary functions that you need to know. So the binary file mode options, here it is. So the binary file mode options for the fopen or the file open functions are these ones. So the RB stands for reading, or this will going to open for reading, and the file must exist. And the WB, which is for writing, and the file need not exist since we're going to create a file. You don't have to have a file when you're using the WB function mode. The next is the AB, which is for append. So the file need not exist as well. So if the file is not exist, then it's going to create a file for the append functions. Next is the RB plus. This will open for reading and writing from beginning, and then the WB plus, which is going to open for reading and writing. And just to let you know that this will going to override the file, so you need to be very careful. It's going to override the existing file. And the next is the AB plus, which is equal to, which is for opening for reading and writing, and it's going to append to a file as well. So next is the fwrite function. So on this line, the fwrite function or the file write function has these arguments. So the first argument is the pointer, and then the item size here, and then the number items and the file pointer. So this writes num items of item size from pointer to PTR to the file pointed to by the file pointer or the pile or the FP. And the next is the fread. Let me just type this in real quick. The fread function, which has the same arguments. Let me just copy this real quick. So the fread function or the file read function, it's going to read num items of item size from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp or the file pointer into memory pointed to by the ptr or the pointer. Next is the fclose function or the file close function. So this this will going to close. It will closes the file open with the file fp, and it is going to return 0 if closed was successful. EOF is returned, or end of file is returned, if there is an error in closing. So lastly, there is the FEOF, which returns 0 when the end of the file stream has been reached. So these are the things that you need to know for the binary functions. Again, this is just an introductory to the binary file input output. We're going to write codes in the next video. So just to So just to let you know that binary files are useful for storing large amounts of data in a smaller file sizes. So it is similar to a file compression or a compression. So that's it for this introductory to binary file I/O. So before we wrap up this video, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So I want you to answer this question. The mode for opening a binary file for reading is. If you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.